Hello everyone, this is Arshad here, back again live with you. Wanted to share some insights on what affiliate marketing is and why do you need to invest in this. Getting back to what affiliate marketing exactly means, what is the principle behind affiliate marketing? Say you are trying to promote someone else's product, and if you are, successful in selling it, you get a commission for it. Okay, so take an example for anything. Say a headphone. So this headphone say belongs to Sony. Now I'm trying to promote the product of Sony and selling it to say one of my customers, and if I'm successful in doing this, I get a commission. The reason why Sony gives me this commission is I am bringing customers to them. It's like bringing traffic to them. So that is why they pay me a commission. So this is what the principal affiliate marketing is. And one of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is you get a passive income. Okay, this passive income can be recurring also. When I say recurring, it means you get monthly. So what exactly passive income means is you don't have to invest much of your time into this. Okay, so you give a little bit of amount every day. Start every day giving some amount of your time. See how it goes on. You try to promote a few people's product and see how successful it becomes. So this is the principle of affiliate marketing. And the platforms of affiliate marketing are many, and now in today's generation, as you know, internet is booming and online era is booming. There are a lot many platforms wherein affiliate marketing is growing. And the major what I have seen in today's time is what I am able to connect is with Amazon. Amazon also has an affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associates. Even Flipkart has, eBay has, Shopify has, Clickbank has. A lot many online websites have this affiliate program. So one of the how are they successful is like if someone else is promoting their website or their products, they are indirectly bringing in traffic into their website. So that is how they are trying to keep their websites active, and that is how they are trying to get money. So yeah, so there are people who have made through affiliate programs few $100 to few $1 million also. So this is a program which gives power to people to earn passively. You may be actively doing your 9 to 5 job. I'm not saying you have to give up your job, try this full time. No, I'm not saying it do right away with this affiliate program. What you can do is invest your bit of time, try to learn what exactly affiliate marketing is, and then you can once you get familiar with this program, then if you're able to earn more than your 9 to 5 job, there is a possibility that this you can make this as your full-time program also. You can earn this full time. So that's what. Now how do people make use of affiliate, and how are they getting money? So there are lot many social media platforms wherein people are promoting the other people's product and getting the commission. The One of the famous platforms is YouTube. People have been promoting product on YouTube. There are online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest. There are lot many. So this is how they are making money. And see, it's how easy it is. See, even if you're sleeping and one day you wake up and check up your mobile phone, and you see like, okay, you have got some $100 or $200. So you'll be amazed, right? It's very surprising that you didn't do much of your work and then still you got this money. I'm not saying like no, this only takes a few minutes to do. Yes, it takes some time to understand this and get into this field. So that's what affiliate marketing is. And now, which affiliate marketing program have I chosen, and why am I showing so much interest into this program? The program what I have chosen is called ClickFunnels. I have told this yesterday also. And the person who owns ClickFunnels is Russell Brunson. So he's a US person. He has 15 years of marketing strategy. He has done a lot of marketing. He has understood what strategy is best used to sell any product, and he has written a book. Initially, he has written a book called .com Secrets, which I also told yesterday. Like, this is the book which got me into this program. So .com Secrets was the book wherein I got interested into affiliate marketing, or may it be entrepreneurship. So the reason why I follow Russell Brunson is because of the strategy what he reveals in his books. And then one of the book what I told is .com Secrets. The other one is Expert Secrets, and he has also released a new book recently. It's called Traffic Secrets. So this is the reason, and I believe personally, like, see, affiliate marketing is a huge market right now. You go to internet is like an ocean. Okay, you get lost into this. I'm telling you, you go to YouTube, search affiliate marketing. I can promise you there are hundreds of videos explaining you what affiliate marketing is, which program to choose. So this is where you get lost. So what I suggest people is, try to choose a platform, a single platform, and try to follow the program. Okay. And the reason why as I said earlier, why I choose Russell Brunson is he's an amazing personality. Go on YouTube, check about him, how he markets his product. He's an amazing personality. So, and he has a huge fan following, and the success story he has, it's motivating for people. So that is why I chose this ClickFunnels as my affiliate program. And one of the courses what they offer is called One Funnel Away Challenge. You might be seeing me posting on Facebook recently on my Facebook wall, like this. I have taken up this challenge, and this is day 1, day 2, day 3. I keep revealing how he's teaching about marketing. So he comes daily, he explains how to do this marketing. See, affiliate marketing can be done in two ways. Okay, so the first way is, you have your own product, you have your own affiliates, and you can sell your product. The second one is, when you don't have a product, you can be an affiliate to someone and then sell a product. So these are two opportunities in affiliate marketing. So in One Funnel Away Challenge, they teach you all of these steps. They go right from the starting, what exactly marketing strategy is, and how exactly it works, and which is the best strategy to be used. So that is why I found this challenge to be helpful. And you may have seen me, I being a camera shy person, my friends know me. I'm not so bold enough to come in front of a camera and do a live video. But then this encourages you, this builds an interest in you to get going. That is what is required, right? You are just one step away from being a successful person. See, opportunity doesn't knock your door twice, right? Once it knocks, you have to take up this step and go ahead. That's what I believe, and that's what I felt, and that is the reason why I took up this challenge. So so this is amazing challenge. I even recommend people, if they're interested, they can ping me up personally. They can ask me what this challenge is about, how I can get involved into this. And one of the benefits what I want to share with you is, I'll be with you. Say, if you have taken up this challenge, I'll be with you. I'll guide you if there's some problem. I personally feel this is motivating. Say, if you have any product in your mind, and honestly, if you feel like, if your 9 to 5 job is not helping you out, it's not you're not able to get exact amount to pay your bills. So this is one of the ways you can earn extra income and then pay your bills also. You can enjoy your life, right, with this extra amount of whatever you get. So this is how you can go ahead. So just ping me up, message me, WhatsApp me, whatever means. Just let me know if you have any doubts. One more thing what I want to share with you guys is, see, don't hesitate to take this step up. So this is the right time, actually, being in lockdown, being in home. There's one skill. I have been getting many messages from my friends. They're asking me what this is exactly. Can you please share some few more details onto this? So that is why I have come up live again. I keep coming now. So I got interested, like, people are interested. I want to help people to be an entrepreneur. So I've started from me. I want my friends who are close to me to start up. We can build a community of entrepreneurs. See, that's how we get the nation going. And we have also seen a lot of businesses being hit in India. I want India to be a dynamic country, to be superpower, right? We all dream, like, to be India to be superpower in few years. So that's what my dream is. I want to be entrepreneur. I want to motivate other peoples to be entrepreneur. So I'm waiting for you guys. I'm counting on you guys. Please message me or comment. ask me, how it is done, how you can get started. So that's what, this is what I wanted to share with you guys for today. So I'll keep coming in live again. So thank you for being with me. Thanks a lot, and see you soon. Bye.